Explain the procedure to reduce Bernoulli's equation to Leibniz linear equation. To reduce Bernoulli's equation to Leibniz linear equation, we will follow the following steps. Let's discuss each of these steps with the help of an example. Consider the equation where P and Q are the function of x. In the first step, we divide both the sides of the given Bernoulli's equation by y to the power n. So dividing both sides of this given equation by y to the power n, we get. In the second step, we assume that the term y to the power 1 minus n is equal to z and then differentiate it with respect to x to get the value of dy by dx. So let us assume that. Now differentiating this expression with respect to x, we get or, and in the last step, we substitute the value of dy by dx and replace the term with z in the equation obtained in step 1. So substituting the value of dy by dx and replacing the term with z in the equation, we get or. This equation represents the Leibniz linear equation. Let us now summarize all the steps for finding the solution.